The storm comes for everyone. And now it is your turn to go through it, to get through it, to grow through it. And as you are in the storm, I want you to get right in the center, which we all know is called the eye of the storm. How do you know when you're in the storm? When you're being stripped from opportunity that you've worked so hard for. Your family, your friends. No one is there. You are in a position of isolation, a destination that you did not go looking for. And as you look around, the only people around you at that moment seem to be drowning themselves. And you are trying to figure out, how did I get here? You have come to realize that you cannot control people, place, or things. But what you can control is no longer being in a position of reaction. No. You must put yourself where you can control what you do. Ease is not an option. Where you are is not who you are. Get to the eye of the storm. Because there, you will find yourself in a state of calmness, a clear mind to rethink, to reposition your plan. For now you see everything, for the chaos is still around you. It hasn't stopped. But once again, you're in a state of calm. That's why we call it the eye of the storm. Those who run get the tail end of it. There is no running when that hurricane comes. There is no running from the storm. There is no running from life. There are those who run from it and those who run to it. So the devil whispered to the warrior,
"You cannot withstand the storm."
And the warrior replied, "I am the storm." Remember, you are training. Show the opposition, the enemy, that he cannot break what has already been broken. Destiny calls. And you've been waiting for this your whole life. You have nothing but sheer will. And the hours that you've been putting in is called skill. That's right. You are armed with his word, which is sharper than any two-edged sword. That's why the enemy fears you. Because you are dangerous beyond any measure. So even though you may feel outnumbered, you are relentless in your work ethic. You train and practice when no one is watching. Because we all know what we do in our private time, we will be rewarded in the public eye. You are a warrior, a Spartan. Because we know, although we are proud, we are few. We're here for a reason. You have a calling, a gift. Release it. It is your time to share your gift with the world. The storm, the weather will change, but you will not. Take hold of it, for you are the storm.